Welcome everyone to this bonfire. We're gonna tell a scary story that resides here in this basement. Have you guys heard of the BBB?
What is the BBB?
The big bird of the basement.
You know, there's could be an O in that, like BBOB.
It's not the same
It's
thing
the
happens in the
BBB.
United States of America. There's no O.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
The BB.
Continue.
So, it's right here in this basement, is what they say. This bird is very huge. He eats a lot of burgers. He poops out
very
a lot of
fat.
eggs.
He's fat?
He's fat.
Makes sense. I mean,
Yeah.
if it's called the big bird, then it has
He,
to be
he
big.
looks like a bird too, but he has a lightsaber that just turns on when summoned.
Yeah, that's not true,
There was
buddy.
a story. There was a story that in this basement, 3 kids went down. None of them made it out alive because they summoned him. They did the ritual, and they all got attacked by this bird, and all 3 of them were missing, and
They
they're
all got
presumably dead.
Rituals aren't true, buddy.
Probably got.
You want to do the? Okay, I brought the stuff for the ritual. We're gonna do it. You ready?
Alright, how do we do
Yeah.
it? It's like what? With a stick?
So I'm gonna start saying the thing, and then when I tell you guys to, you're gonna start pounding with these. Okay?
Oh, like that?
Yeah, you ready?
Alright.
Oh, big bird, please come true. You say a lot of words. Your favorite is foo.
Bird.
Yeah, what I say? Nothing.
Yo. You have summoned me and the bird, the big bird man.
Alright, buddy, this is on you, buddy.
This is not my fault.
I got it.
You dare summon me. You know what happened last time.
I'm
Last
sacrificing myself.
Okay,
No. Alright, we hide. In here.
I'm sorry. I got it last time.
Ooh. Go get the Try to hide. I think this is what the bat's used for. Yeah, I think he sees us.
You don't want this.
No. Crap. Leah. Oh, it's too late. Came here 2 months ago. Did some bad things with my friends, and I just gotta reverse it. Here's Leo. Missing. Can't believe this happened. Campfire. Here's the bat. This place is not that bad after all. There's Colton. Dead. No. It's terrible. I don't even know why I'm doing this. Here you go. Oh! What was that? Definitely not him. That's not a noise that you make. Oh, dude. What is that? Oh, crap.
Sorry.